If you read historical record by Tabari, Tabari says that in 18 Hijri, 18 AH after Hijri, in Palestine, in a place known as Amwas, a plague came and 25,000 people died because of the plague. And from the people who died, there were many Sahabas. Some were from the Ashra Mubashirin. For example, Abu Ubaidah bin Abu Jarrah, the Sahaba, may Allah be pleased with him, he was one of the 10 people who were promised paradise, and he was amongst one of the people who died in the plague. And 25,000 people died. Imagine at that time when the population was small. If you read the historical records of Ibn Tagir al-Bardi, he writes that up to 131 Hijri, AH, 15 plagues came, and he quoted the time and the... So plague is there since ages and centuries, even in Islam it is there. So it's wrong to say that there is no contagious disease in Islam.